The chip on a debit card, also known as an EMV chip, plays a crucial role in enhancing security and preventing fraud during transactions. Here's how it works. Data encryption. The chip contains encrypted information unique to each transaction, including a one-time code that is generated for each transaction. This makes it extremely difficult for fraudsters to clone or counterfeit the card. Dynamic authentication. When the chip-enabled debit card is inserted into a chip reader or terminal, it generates a unique code for the transaction. This dynamic authentication code changes with each transaction, providing an additional layer of security compared to magnetic stripe cards, which use static authentication codes. Offline transaction capability. The chip allows for online transaction processing, meaning that the card can still be used for purchases even when the payment terminal is not connected to the network. The transaction data is securely stored on the chip and later verified by the card issuer. Reduce fraud. The implementation of chip technology has significantly reduced card-present fraud, where criminals use stolen card information to make unauthorized purchases.